How much do you really know about the Dominican Republic? If you're planning a Caribbean trip, you've probably seen those postcard perfect beaches, but let me show you what makes this island truly unforgettable. First up, Punta Cana, white sand, turquoise water, perfect for relaxing or diving into water sports. But if you want a taste of local life, head to Santo Domingo, the oldest city in the New World. Walk the cobblestone streets, explore centuries-old cathedrals, and dive into vibrant nightlife that goes until sunrise. Looking for hidden gems? Check out Samaná for whale watching, or hike the lush trails of Jarabacoa if you're craving adventure. Don't leave without trying authentic Dominican food. Think mofongo, fresh seafood, and sweet tropical fruits from a local market. Now here's what you need to know before you go. The Dominican Republic is warm year-round, but hurricane season is June to November. So plan accordingly. Stick to bottled water, use sunscreen, and keep your valuables secure. Most resorts are all-inclusive, but venturing out gives you a real taste of the culture. Ready for your trip? Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this island has it all. From hidden waterfalls to bustling city plazas, every corner has something new to discover. Thanks for watching. If this Dominican Republic guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below with your favorite Caribbean destination. The Dominican Republic is full of beauty, history, and culture. Which part would you love to explore first? The beaches, the cities, or the hidden gems? Share your thoughts below. If you're planning a Caribbean trip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your vacations unforgettable.